Hello my dear audience and welcome back to another exciting and amazing video. Lights flashing, music jumping, laughter echoing in the streets. This is England at night, where the cities never truly sleep. From the blasting streets of London, underground clubs and sordid luxury bars in Mayfair to the smoky, vibrant pubs in Soho, the nightlife here is electronic, sophisticated and full of surprises. So basically, the atmosphere is alive, bold and glamorous. You will see people dressed to impress, sipping cocktails, dance and laughing without a care. And walking through this vibrant scene, one thing is impossible to miss: the confidence, the elegancy and the timeless beauty of English women. So whether in a high heels at rooftop bars, casual chic in a pub or laughing with friends at a casino, they carried themselves with grace, intelligence and a style that turns a head effortlessly. So basically, England nightlife is not just about parties, it's about energy, charming and living life to the fullest. So let's talk about the beauty of England. When the night fades and the sun rises, England's charm change but never dull. Rolling green hills, ancient castle, cobblestone streets and historic village create a dream-like atmosphere. The river Thames glistens in the morning light, lined with iconic bridge and historic buildings. The countrysides often calm, peaceful mornings where fog dance over fields, making you feel like you will step into a painting. So basically, England is a land of contrast, fast-paced, glamorous cities by night, serene and timeless landscape by day. Now let's talk about the nightlife, the pub and the casinos. England nightlife is worldwide famous. If I talk about London's rooftop bars giving breathtaking views of the skyline, the Soho and Shoreditch Heights underground clubs full of music, dancing and trendy crowds. If I talk about the casinos in Mayfair, they offer luxury, sophisticated and excellent environment that is perfect for you. Traditional pubs mix with the classical English culture with vibrant energy. They perfectly placed to enjoy music, beer and conversation. So my dear audience, here night is not just darkness, it's a celebration of lifestyle and freedom. Now let's talk about the food and the drinks. Food in England is diverse and fascinating. Start your day with a classical English breakfast like eggs, sausages and bacons, baked beans and toast. For lunch, you can enjoy fish and chips or a cozy pita at a pub. And if I talk about the dinner, how can I forget about dinner? Can be luxurious French-inspired cuisine, of course, modern British dishes or international flavors, and Michelin stars restaurants. Cocktails and wines in bar complement the nightlife, while tea culture in the day balance sophisticated with calm. English people respect food and drink. It's not rush, it's celebrated. Now let's talk about the culture, the lifestyle. England is perfect mix of modern lifestyle and rich traditions. People follow trends, enjoy music, fashion, sports and technology, yet the country is deeply rooted in history. Museum, theaters, live music, literatures and football stadium all contribute to a culture heartbeat that never stops. Life in England is about balance, enjoy work, celebrating culture and living with style. So my dear audience, England is electric at night, magical day by day and unforgettable always. If I talk about their women, the women are perfect. The energy, the nightlife are perfect. The historical beauty, it's all leaves a lasting impression. Once you walk the street of London, dance in the clubs, sip cocktail and rooftop bars and feel the charm of its people, England becomes part of your life. It is a city that teaches you to live boldly, dress confidently and enjoy life fully, and those memories will follow you forever. So my dear audience, this is England, the beautiful England. I hope this video is interesting and informative for you, and I hope you enjoyed the whole video. Please, if the video is informative for you, share with your family members and those friends who are travel enthusiasts. Well, if you have any suggestion regarding to the video, do comment. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. We will meet in the next video. Keep watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.